at the stairs.
Oh my!
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
Is this really our space?
No way.
I couldn't believe that you guys did what you did.
Oh, this is so, we could have never done this.
Oh my God. Fantastic.
We have a growing family. Grandma is going to be moving in with us, you know, pretty soon. And we want to make some space for her. She still has an apartment in the city. She spends a lot of time here, and unfortunately, she's sleeping on the couch.
The biggest problem is I live in the 4th floor, and there is no elevator. And I know the time is coming when I won't be able to go up the 4th floor. And I really know the time is coming when I'm going to have to move.
One of the concerns here is accommodations.
It bothers me when she's here and she's sleeping on the couch, because this is the space that we have for her right now. This is her space.
But one of the things that we wanted to consider is maybe we could fix at the basement.
Hey!
Hey, George.
Look at this beautiful family. So good to see you guys.
Same here, buddy, same here.
So I'm sorry
Good to
it
see you.
took 3 years to get your basement done. I can't even tell you how much hard work went into this basement. Like long days, long nights.
Thank you so much.
It's done though. It is done.
Right.
All
I'd
right.
love to hear.
You ready to see it?
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, follow me.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my God.
look at this place.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I honestly, I couldn't believe that you guys did what you did. It's just the fact that you guys did it with love, and the whole team worked on that, and it's perfect.
Joey had a stroke at birth, and we found out 24 hours after I gave birth that he suffered this. It hit his left middle cerebral artery, which affected his right side of his body. We were basically told that this was a life-changing event for us, and we actually didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if he was even going to make it. Like, the unknown was very scary for me, and it still is, I think.
We are first-time home buyers. The biggest thing is maintenance on the house, upkeep, and just the surprise of every month a new bill, or always something goes wrong, you gotta try to make ends meet, things like that.
A basement renovation for us right now would be amazing. For my husband to do it, and time-wise, it's impossible, basically. And it would just bring us closer together and make sure that Joey has somewhere safe to play during therapy time, and just him and Gianna can enjoy it together. And I think it would really help us as a family to just have a space for them just to play.
What's up, guys? How's it going, Joe? Great to see you. Jess? Big Joe, how are you, buddy? Can I get a high five? Thank you, Gianna.
Oh, you want to give George
wanna
a
give me
high five?
That's my boy. Oh, keep him coming, keep him coming. I know Mom and Dad are gonna love it, but Joey and Gianna, we did some special stuff just for you two. So I think you guys are really gonna be excited. But instead of me just talking about it, what do you say? Should we go see it?
You wanna go see it?
All right,
Let's go.
follow me.
Oh my God. Is this really our space?
No way.
There's no way this is our same basement. Gee, look at the trees.
It looks totally different. It does even,
What do you think, Joe?
right?
What do you think?
Let's go look.
It actually looks bigger with all the stuff in here, than it did.
Put every one of those toys in here for you. The giraffe is funny, isn't he?
Yeah, I could imagine that we walked into the same basement that we left 2 weeks ago. It's unbelievable what they did.
It's amazing. It's going to be perfect for our family. It's just a section for the kids to play in, another section to have family time in. It's just truly amazing.
I was 3 years old when we learned about his developmental issues. I remember it like it is right now. I went to a doctor. He was tested, and the doctor said, Nye has autism. And I remember walking through the street and it was so crowded and busy and all I could hear was nothing. But I could see like everybody walking, I could see the cars. And I remember pushing the stroller and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, we're gonna get through this together.
Raising a child with autism comes with its own set of unique challenges. And this family always rises to the occasion. But what he could really use is a sensory room. It's a place that can stimulate him with light and touch and feel. What's up, guys? Welcome home. Good to see ya. How you doing, big guy? Nye?
All right.
You good? So you guys want to see what we did with your basement?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
All right.
Go. Let's go. Whoa. Great.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I didn't see the bathroom.
You want to see that bathroom?
Oh gosh, this is like amazing. Oh my goodness, I can use the bathroom now. I love the bathroom. I love the bathroom. Before we had an outhouse, and now we have an actual bathroom with a sink. This is so, we could have never done this. Could have never done this. This is beautiful.
I think it touches every part of our family. I mean, you guys could somehow got a piece of Robbie, myself, and Nye.
And
Evan. That's the most touching part, I think, of the whole experience.
It is. Yep.
Our daughter Mia has cerebral palsy. She was officially diagnosed at 1 year old. On the second day of life, they said that her lung collapsed. She had high blood pressure, which led to bleeding on the brain. I can honestly say it was the hardest thing ever in our lives because we didn't know if she was going to make it or not.
We had our crying time, and then we just looked at each other and said, you know, we can't cry anymore. It's all about Mia now.
Sadly, because Mia has cerebral palsy, she is not able to walk, which makes it a daily challenge for her and her parents getting in and around her house.
We are concerned as Mia gets older and heavier, getting her in and out of the house and accessibility. We just kind of still treat her like a baby. We take her out of the car, we carry her in, we put her on one of the couches here.
Maximizing space has been a priority for Bob and Liz. They have an increased need for accessibility and a safe space for the kids to grow and play. So what do you say? You guys want to go in?
Absolutely. Cannot wait to see it.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
All right, darling, you ready? Oh my God. Fantastic. You just know it's going to be good, but you have no idea exactly how it's going to be designed. Every single corner, every space in that room was changed. They didn't miss a spot.
Oh my God.
It's beautiful.
My room.
This is your room now?
Oh, you're moving down here?
She said, this is my room. When we left, it was basically just a box with a couch in it. You can't say that now. You look in that basement, it's phenomenal.
The new basement is amazing. It's more comfortable, it's more safe. It was probably the most exciting day of my life.
Mason was diagnosed with autism back in 2013. And although he faces significant developmental challenges, Rich and Jamie are doing everything they can to help him reach his full potential. Jamie has put her career on hold to take care of Mason and to be an advocate for autism awareness. And Rich has taken on a second job just to help with the cost of therapy. Jamie and Rich maintain a warm and loving home, but they are definitely in need of a safe space for their active boys. What's up, Richie? How's it going, buddy?
Hug.
Oh, thanks for the hug. You guys ready to see what we did?
Really ready.
I think Richie's ready to go. He's already at the front door. So,
Are you ready, bud?
Richie, lead the charge. You ready to come home?
Oh my God, the stairs.
Oh my.
Fix the stairs.
Look at this basement.
Oh my God.
It's perfect.
This is amazing.
When we first came down and I just saw lights and colors and amazing furniture and then the ball pit, which Mason went right into and was so happy.
Look at the smile on his face now. Huh?
Mason, you have your own ball pit.
I'm going into the ball pit. Being down here and seeing all of these sensory toys that Mason will really enjoy, but there's also some really cool pillows everywhere, lots of colors. You guys, this is amazing. I don't even know what to say. I mean, for a kid that works so hard and struggles so much to like have a place where you can have fun, it's awesome.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.